Still using Chrome as your browser? Well, I am excited to share with you a revolutionary new app that's about to change the way you surf the web on your mobile phone. It's called Kiwi and it's packed with features that you won't find in any other browser, including Chrome. So let's find out what features it offers, but first make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So let's dive into the video. First of all, page loads. Their proprietary technology optimizes page loading speed so you can get to the content you want faster than ever before. One of the cool features of this app is it supports extensions. This feature is not provided by almost all the browsers, and this is one of the features I would love to use on a mobile browser. This browser gives you access to vast library of extensions so you can customize your browsing experience to your liking. Whether you are looking for ad blockers, productivity tools or anything else, Kiwi has you covered. Then comes the bottom address bar. I am sure that you are tired of reaching all the way to the top of your screen to type in the URL. Well, with Kiwi's bottom address bar puts the address bar within easy reach so you can navigate the web with ease. So go to settings, toolbar and enable the bottom toolbar. So the Kiwi browser by default uses Bing, but you can change it to Google or any other search engines from settings. Well, talking about its other features, it includes translation up to 60 languages, night mode, import-export bookmarks, customizable download folder, auto-verify, pop-up blockers and many more. With its incredible speed, extensive extension support and a host of other features, Kiwi might be the only browser you'll ever need. So go and try it out yourself and let me know your feedbacks in the comments. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe.